visiting relatives or friends, so the first thing which comes to your mind is to pack a suitcase. So what we usually do, we dump things one after other in our suitcase, then we end up thinking that there is no space left for those extra things, or we realize later that we had missed something. So just to make sure these things won't happen, let's try to see how we can pack a bag quite efficiently and in organized way. I'm Priyanka and you are watching Organizopedia. So many of you friends have asked me that if there are ways to pack and to organize our suitcases without using those store-bought organizers. So here it is. In today's video, I want to make sure that I'm only going to use things which is readily available in home. So without any further ado, let's start the packing. So before we actually start packing, we have to make a list. So this is basically an app which gives you the free packing list. So this is basically packing planner. So as you can see, I have already selected the destination, my start date, and it also gives you an option, remind me at what time. I mean, like before how many days you want to get reminded about your list. And as you can see, it has further broken down into some categories, like it includes everything from accessories to your health, to documents, to clothing, etc. And as you can see, there is a tick box after every item, so you can actually select the number of items you want to take with you on your trip. Do you know, even the best laid vacation plans can be easily dashed by something as simple as forgetting to pack the creature comforts and small necessities that we will need. Frustratingly, it always seems to be obvious everyday things that we use all the time, say example toothbrush, that get left out of the suitcase and consequently left behind. But these kinds of apps actually come very handy when it comes to making a packing list. So it's so easy to use these apps and your packing list is all ready. So now let's start it by making first a toiletry kit. As you can see, this is basically a plastic Ziploc bag and you can find it in any random stationery shop, as this bag is made out of plastic, so it's quite handy for all of us to take it with us when we are taking shower. And then all the items are in travel size. My toothbrush, toothpaste, face wash, shampoo, everything is in travel size. So in this way you can make a small toiletry bag. Up next is the most important thing for all of us, that is our makeup. So I always try to keep very minimum things while I'm traveling. As you can see, I'm taking few lipstick, SPF, hand cream, foundation, etc. And again, as you can see, all the things are in travel size. So I'm just putting all the stuff in this small drawstring bag, and you can get these drawstring bags stitched from a local tailor also. Then I'm taking this big bag and I'm dumping these two bags, and along with it I'm keeping baby wipes, bed bath wipes, paper towels, hand sanitizer, etc. So all these random things goes into this particular pouch. So in these kind of bubble pouches, I like to keep my medicines. So this is basically a first aid kit for trip. And I'm only taking a single pair of footwear. So these are the bags which you get when you buy new shoes. So just simply put them inside these bags and you're good to go. And don't worry, if you don't have such bags, you can always use your old shower cap for keeping your footwears. Keep the dirty soles of your shoes away from your clothes by sticking them inside an old shower cap. Along with my big handbag, I'm keeping this small backpack also. What I like to do is, I just fold the strap of my backpack, then I tie it with a rubber band. And then you get these bags again when you buy new bags, so just insert it and put it in your suitcase. So it's a pill box. In this pill box, I like to organize my small studs while I'm traveling. You can get this pill box very easily from your chemist. And for these neck pieces, I like to keep them in tissue paper. As you can see, I'm keeping it in one of the folds, and in the other fold I like to keep small or the dainty piece. So in the same way, I keep all my neck pieces in these kind of tissue papers along with my watch. And then I like to keep all these things in drawstring bag. So next come these tie-ups, clutches, etc. which you can keep in small pouches. Next comes the socks. So just keep both of them on each other, just roll them up and pass it through this small pocket, and in this way you can fold all your socks and you will never lose any one of them. And then take this kind of breathable mesh bag, just put your handkerchiefs, your socks, etc. in such kind of bags. By this way, you will help your bras maintain their shape while also saving space by stacking your bras on top of each other, folding them in half and tucking your underwear inside. Stuffing your underwear inside your bras will help the cups from folding inward and help extend the life of your bras beyond your trip. And then simply put them in these kind of drawstring bags. So last but the most important thing is the clothes. So let's see how we can fold our jeans. So let's start by folding the crotch part and then start rolling up from the bottom. Make it quite tight so as to avoid the wrinkles, and in this way fold all your jeans, leggings, jeggings, even your pajamas. And trust me, this technique will give you more extra space for the extra shopping. And now see how we can fold a t-shirt. Lay your t-shirt on the floor and then fold it from the bottom about 4 inches as you can see. Then just like a normal t-shirt, fold the left sleeve and the right sleeve and start rolling it up from the neckline and then insert it through the pocket which we made earlier. So this is basically a military style of folding a t-shirt. In the same way we fold our jeans, and there is no special trick for folding your tops. Fold them as you do with your regular tops, but just keep one thing in mind: take a very thin material so that it will not take a lot of your space in the suitcase. So in this way, as you can see, I have folded all my tops. If you can devote some time, there is one more thing which can work really well. Take pictures of the complete set of clothes, and in this way you will do 2 important things. First, you will pack only what is required, and second, you make sure that the required one is actually packed. So this is the best way of packing and to make your suitcase quite organized. As you can see, this is a small cabin size bag, and I'm going to arrange all the stuff which I had shown you earlier in this particular space. So let's start by putting a newspaper on the bottom. So first I'm going to keep all the rolled up things, that is leggings, jeggings, pajamas, even I'm going to keep the t-shirt which we have rolled earlier. And then I'm stacking them up with my tops. As you can see, just stack them nicely one over other. Then I'm keeping this lingerie bag with my clothes. Then I keep my toiletry bag on the left side of the suitcase. Then goes the thin jacket because it's still winter and it's still cold there. Then I keep my jewelry pouch in the center of my clothes, as this is the delicate thing. Here goes my shoes on the top of my jacket, my medicine and my tie-up pouch. So while I'm traveling, I always like to take thin towels which I stack it on the top of my clothes. Then in here goes my socks pouch, and with this I like to keep a small shawl or a stole with me, which I just keep it on the top so that whenever I feel cold I just take it out from the suitcase. So here comes the interesting thing. This is basically an old pillowcase. I like to keep one with me while I'm traveling. This can act as a laundry bag for keeping my dirty clothes away from the clean one. So again, an interesting trick. This is basically 2-in-1. This is a hair straightener, and at the same time it can act as a curling rod. So here it goes, and on the top I like to keep my bag. And we are done. As you can see, I put a lot of things in this small size cabin bag, and a lot of extra space is left so that you can accommodate many other things in it. And once when you reach your destination, since everything is already well organized, you know where things are, and this makes your life easier so that you can focus more on your holidays.
So I hope you liked today's video, as this is a holiday time. I hope these small things will help you more in packing your suitcases in a better way. So happy Holi to all my viewers and friends who are watching out there, and before you start your packing, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video with your friends and hit the like button. See you next time. Till then, be organized. Happy holidays. Bye bye.